Hey, quick question. Have you ever said accept when you actually just meant receive? Accept, receive, admit, take, they all mean getting something, right? But they're not the same at all. Receive just focuses on getting something. There is no suggestion you took any action or made any choice about it. She received a package in the mail this morning. Take is close to receive. It is actually just the everyday casual version of it, focusing on taking something without much personal choice involved. He took the form from the receptionist and filled it out. Accept is different. It stresses actively and willingly agreeing to something, usually after thinking it over. She accepted the job offer after thinking it over for a week. Admit, when it means accept, is about giving permission or approval. The university admitted her into the engineering program. So next time, just ask, is it just getting something? Is it the casual everyday way? Is it a willing decision? Or is it official permission? That is your word.